Good day, lads. In this video I'll show you how to fix Epic Games error code AS-3. So the fixes are going to be as follows. As you can see, we have this fast fix that is provided to us by Epic themselves. So you just copy this, then you press on Windows plus R, insert this, go here, and then just like it's saying in here, open the Epic Games launcher folder, then saved, web cache, and then delete this folder. Alright, so you just go here, into here, find your Epic Games folder and delete the folder that is mentioned in this article. Then one more fix, you go to Control Panel, System and Security, Defender Firewall, and then just go ahead and allow Epic Games to run through a Defender Firewall. So you just find your Epic Games in here, say I will just take Brave browser as this example, you just go allow another app, then you can search for your Epic Games executable where you have it on the C drive, of course, in the program files, and then add it here and tick both private and public. Then press OK and exit out. And the very last fix, you go to your Windows settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Settings, and perform a network reset. In here, click Reset Now. These are the fixes. Enjoy, friends. Hopefully this fixes you. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.